Hey there, boys and girls. Welcome back. Day 3 of our February daily math. We have number 1 here. Inside of the heart, the number is 489. So we need 110 more than that. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So it's 499. 20 more, so it'll be 89, 99. Now we can't go 10, 9, right? Because we don't have enough digits available to do that. So you can't put 2 in one spot, right? So we're going to put the 9 in here in the ones column again. Now we had 8, 9. The next one would round up, or would roll to the 0. Okay? But instead of 400, now we're going to 500. If you remember, way back then, we just kind of covered up the one spot. We had 48, plus 1 more is 49, plus 1 more is 50. So what's going to be next? Yeah, 51. That's right. There it is. Good job. Okay, number 2. Write this number in expanded form. So we're going to roll it out into the 3 different place values. So the 7 really means 700. And then the 9 is really 90. And then the 2 is 2. So 700 plus 90 plus 2 is 792. Okay, number 3. Today, Derek carries Monkey Shines to the cafeteria. He sees 7 lunch tables. There are 9 students at each table. How many students in all? So we have 7 tables, so 7 groups with 9 students or 9 things in each group. 7 times 9 equals 63. Remember, another trick is if it's times 9, you look at that number, go 1 less. Okay, it's 6, and then 6 plus what equals 9. Sweet little go around right there, okay? All right, number 4. Is a heart a polygon? Why or why not? No. It is not a polygon. Polygons can only have straight lines. And if you look there, that heart, it's curved, right? So polygons can only have straight lines. It doesn't matter how many in the shape, but they have to be straight, and they have to connect it to close it, like a square is a polygon. That would work. This, assuming they're all straight, is a polygon. Okay? So kind of, as long as the lines are straight and it's closed, it's a polygon. Okay, number 5. Here we go. Last one for today. Joey is buying packs of Valentines. He buys 2 packs of RoboCards and 3 packs of Alien cards. How much money does Joey spend in all? Okay, well, 2 packs at $2 each would be $4, right? Because 2 times 2 is 4. And Aliens are 3 cards, 3 packs of cards at $3 for each pack. 3 times 3 equals 9. And then we're going to add the total. So we had $4 plus $9 is $13. That is how much money Joey will spend on Valentine's. So, boys and girls, great work with that today. This one here, I'm sure it was probably a tough one. Okay, polygon is kind of a newer-ish word for us, or it's been a while since we've used it. So, hoping that we can keep working with those, and we'll get into some more shapes here soon, okay? I'll talk to you later.